Oh my, am I ever excited to share with you OBLESS. OBLESS was created by our CEO of the company called ONPASSIVE. Ash Mufareh and his family helped create ONPASSIVE because he loves to help people. It's not about money, it's all about blessing others. OBLESS is the portfolio that he created. It's the first portfolio that he created, and I want to share with you more about OBLESS and why I like it. OBLESS to me means so much. I am honored, first of all, and blessed to be in a company that cares about people all over the world, no matter who you are, where you come from. And OBLESS will help so many. I've always knew that other countries were worse off than what we are here in the U.S. I couldn't imagine having to walk miles to get water and have it be dirty and make me ill. That sickens me in itself. I couldn't imagine being a kid and not having shoes on my feet. Are you kidding me? I don't like shoes, but they are a necessity. I believe this is not, the world is uneven. We need to fix it, and that's where OBLESS comes into hand. I've always wanted to help so many, but never had the means or the funds or people to help me figure it out. Well, with OBLESS, we now have that. We will have the means. We are putting our heads together to figure out how we can help different things, countries, kids with no food, kids with no shoes, different countries who have no bridges, who have no hospitals. You name it, it's going to help. And I am honored to know and filled with so much heart blessings to know that the CEO of the company had that in mind when he created ONPASSIVE with a platform called OBLESS. I can't wait to hear the stories that are going to come out from this OBLESS. We've already have stories coming out. We are going to make a large movement worldwide. And most of all, to see it happen is going to fill my heart. But most of all, I can't wait to see the happiness on those who we have helped and continue to help along the way. My wish for you is to know that OBLESS is definitely sent from the man above, whether you believe it or not, sent from a higher power who created ONPASSIVE, who gave us Ash Mufareh and his family to give up their time and to help create all of this. I can't wait to see the stories. I'm excited to know that we are creating a movement to change the world to make it a better place.